Welcome back to the ISNaD Review tutorial series. Module 04 opens the screening stage, and its first step is not reading abstracts, but teaching the machine. The prior knowledge screen asks you to mark a few clearly relevant studies and a few clearly irrelevant ones, to write down your eligibility criteria, and to choose a model. Those seeds are what shape the queue. Let us begin. This time we use the Artificial Intelligence and Islamic Ethics project, holding 239 records. OpenAI screening in Group 2. The page that greets us is called Prior Knowledge Setup. Active learning rests on a simple logic. The machine cannot rank anything until it knows what kind of study you are after. So it asks for positive and negative examples, at least 5 seeds on each side. The full record list sits on the left, with a search box for title, author, journal, and year. Every row offers a Rel and an Irr button. We mark the studies that clearly address artificial intelligence and Islamic ethics. Choose distinctive positive seeds rather than generic ones, so the model picks up the signature of your topic. Now the negative seeds, studies that did turn up in the search but clearly fall outside the research question. Negative seeds are often decisive because that is how the machine learns what to push aside. The relevant and irrelevant counters on the right show progress against the quota, and Clear All empties them if you mislabel. Below that come the eligibility criteria, and this is the most methodological part of the screen. The inclusion and exclusion cards already carry defaults from the framework you chose when creating the project. Reset restores those defaults, Clear empties them, and unused items appear as badges you only need to click. AI Suggest offers drafts from your project title and corpus, and those drafts still need your own judgment. Criteria specific to your study are added in the input box, then confirmed with Enter. All of these items reappear as a reference while screening and are attached to the Prisma page. Next comes the Search String Filter box. Paste the Scopus or Web of Science search string you used with its brackets and boolean operators intact. Records that fail the string are marked as filtered out, so the screening queue narrows immediately. Import keywords from ISNaD Biblioanalyses, your bibliometric dataset, and offers its keywords and theme clusters. The last section is the model picker, and logistic regression is recommended because it is stable on small data. Naive Bayes is faster, SVM sharper at the decision boundary, while Random Forest needs a great many more labels. Ranking strategy decides which record is put in front of you first. Max relevance leads with the most likely relevant records, so the important studies gather early. Uncertainty sampling leads with the most doubtful, mixed combines the two, and random serves only as a comparison sample. Once everything is set, press Start Screening. The model is trained on your seeds, then every remaining record is ordered by its probability of relevance. The Prior Knowledge button stays on the screening screen, so these settings can be revisited without losing any labels. With that, all the screening preparation is complete. With seeds, criteria, and model settled, the screening queue is now ordered by likely relevance. In the next module, we screen titles and abstracts one at a time and watch the model learn from every decision you make. See you there.